Hello everybody, it's Mick from Jester Bushcraft, and in today's video I'm going to be looking at privacy curtain solutions to divide the front cockpit area of the vehicle and the sleeping quarters in the rear of the vehicle. Now I've worked around with this shower curtain in lots of different configurations, and this seems to be the best and easiest to set up. Before I had the bungee cord running round as before, and what I did is I had the shower curtain that way up with the eyelets at the top, and I ran the bungee cord through the eyelets, but it just wasn't contouring the vehicle. It was leaving gaps and letting light through. That's how I used it recently when I spent an overnighter in the Lake District, and although it worked, I wasn't happy with the little, it was like bending like that, and the actual curtain was sagging and it was leaving little gaps for the light to get through. I mean, it's not, you can see there, it's not completely blacked out, but it's at night it's great as a privacy curtain, but I just wanted to fill these gaps in. So this is what I've come up with. All I've done is I've just used clothes pegs, as you can see, and I've just pegged round this side and this side, and that's held it. Here all I've done is I've just wrapped the shower curtain over the back of the bungee cord like that, and it just hugs the contour of all this fascia. And down this other side here, all I've done is I've just tucked it into behind the rubber seal all the way down, and that's just held it in place. And although I've not done it there so neat, that's what I've done at this side, and you can see there that is fit really well. So that is the solution I'll be using. So I've actually borrowed these clothes pegs, so what I'll be doing is I'll be buying a set of black clothes pegs. I've got 1, 2, 3 there, so I think 4. I could do a better fix with 4 either side. I could get away with 3, but I think 4 would just be good, just to really snug it up nicely. So that's the solution I'm going to be using. Oh, and by the way, instead of having the curtain that way, I've done it that way, so the length is sort of this way, giving me more manoeuvrability down this side to tuck it in behind the rubber door seal. So that seems to work quite well. So I've got one loop there, tucked behind the plastic fascia. I've got another loop there, one up there, one up there, and then exactly the same on the other side. The shock cord just comes round, you can see how it hugs that beautifully, and just goes up over the top. So you can see the shock cord going from the little shock cord loops that I've fitted, going around the vehicle, and it tucks under there, right round through the other loops and back to the other side. And then I've got these toggles which I can use to cinch it up and really put some tension on this shock cord. And all I've done there is I've just tucked the shower curtain over the top of the bungee cord. You can see how that just hugs underneath that air conditioning unit and wraps all the way around. I've tucked it right up behind there, and that's without the pegs, that's just held in place with the shock cord. So now I'll just peg it out along these other bits to complete the privacy curtain solution. To make the loops, I just use a bit of shock cord with a knot in either end, fold it over, and then tuck it behind the plastic. Simple. Going nowhere. And the beauty of this method is you're not making any damage to the plastic trim, no screw holes, nothing. Can all be easily removed. Now I could leave I could leave this up if I wanted, but if I do want to take it off, I just undo the toggle like that, and all this just pulls out like that. Simple as that. And that's it out. And then when I'm finished, it all just tucks away in there. So it was only a short video today, but I hope you found that of use. Maybe you got some ideas for your own camper van. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.